This video is not intended to replace the available installation instructions or the experience of a trained product installer. Please refer to the installation instructions for further information and product warnings. Follow all local electrical codes and ensure the power is off at the circuit breaker before starting your installation. Before connecting the wires to the back of the thermostat, detach the display front from the base. While holding the base section in one hand, with the other, pull gently up, holding the sides of the thermostat towards the bottom, pivoting away from the base. Use a tester to double-check all power is off at the SunStat location. At your installation location, you'll note the power supply wiring, the floor heating power lead, the sensor wire, and any additional relay wiring, home automation control wiring, or second stage heating wiring. Connect the ground wire from the power supply to the ground wire from the floor heating power lead. If the electrical box is metal, use a short length of wire to connect the ground wires to the bonding screw. The thermostat includes connections for load 1 and load 2 from the floor heating power lead and 2 connections from your power supply, labeled L and N for 120 VAC or L1 and L2 for 240 VAC. Connect the floor heating power lead conductors to the load 1 and load 2 terminals. For 120 VAC connections, connect the power supply black wire to the L terminal and the white N wire to the N terminal. For 240 VAC connections, connect one of the power supply wires to the L1 terminal and the other to the L2 terminal. Sensor, R4 relay, home automation, and second stage connections are made to the terminal block by inserting the wires into the openings and tightening the screws. Wires must be routed in the channel to the right of the terminal block so that the display front can be reattached. Any low voltage wiring that passes through the inside of the electrical box must be rated at least 90 degrees Celsius, 300 volts. The floor heating sensor connects to the sensor terminals. These connections are not polarity sensitive. Wiring from the R4 relay connects to the relay and COM terminals, matching your connections on the R4 relay. Home automation wiring connects to the away and COM terminals, and second stage heat wiring connects to the W2 terminals. Use the screwdriver provided with your thermostat to ensure a secure connection. Reattach the white plate to the back to help secure your connections. After securing all your connections, carefully press the wire into the electrical box. Do not use the thermostat to push the wires into place. Secure the thermostat to the electrical box using the screws provided. Do not over-tighten. Finish your install by reattaching the display front. Line up the top edge with the base and snap the bottom into position. Do not operate the system until the mortar has had time to cure. A brief test, once the thermostat is installed, is all that's required to ensure a proper installation.